Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some air fried stuffed peppers. So come on and let's do this together. So we're going to be adding my ground turkey on low heat to the pan, smash it so there's no clumps. And then I'm going to be adding some frozen tomato sauce that I had in the freezer. And then I'm just going to add just a little bit of olive oil, add my seasonings there. You can add whatever seasonings you like to cook your meats, ground turkey. And then I am continuing to make a little bit more some tomato sauce from scratch. I added a little bit of mozzarella cheese. You can see that now this ground turkey is starting to become almost finished. So I added my brown rice for that carb section, and then you're gonna see I'm adding more tomato sauce because I like to have that nice and padded texture. I added some more vegetables into this recipe, so of course frozen spinach just goes well in this stuffing. So I'm just gonna mix it all together. You can see how beautifully this looks. So after I boiled my stuffed peppers just for about maybe like less than 5 minutes with a little bit of some sea salt, I cut it in half. I patted it with my stuffing. Now I'm adding some tomato sauce. Again, this is made from scratch. You can add as much tomato sauce as you want. And then I'm going to go and top with some Kobe cheese. Again, you can decide whatever cheese you want, as much cheese as you want. So this is my portioning. So I'm just adding just a little bit, and then again I added some olive oil, that way it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of this aluminum foil. So I added to my air fryer for 390, 20 minutes, and then after it's done, look how amazing this came out. This was so super delicious with just 2 stuffed peppers, and I was already full. Thank you so much for watching.